海口这5天的活动，前2天每天上午基本上都是在球场上的一些技术训练，然后我看更有意思的是还有去沙滩的特训，那是我们最期待的。
We can split them in groups of 5.
Drop here, right?
And then they gotta flip it. Damn, you don't want to take your socks off? Basketball boys not used to the sand, huh?
Guys, bring it in. So we're gonna have like 4 stations, okay? Each station is 6 minutes and then we're gonna rotate.
First one, you gotta get 2 feet in every square.
1, 2, go to the next.
Then the next one.
10 seconds each move.
When we say back, I'm back, back, back. If I move the ball left or right, you gotta follow. If he says get out, you gotta turn, spread. So this one, you're gonna flip it all the way to the step and back. Here we go, ready? Right, left, left,
Go.
right, back. Get out.
Go. Go. Boom, 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 boom. Fast, 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 fast. Come on, push yourself. Push yourself. Go. You good? Let's go.
沙滩训练对我来说是最难的，因为甩那个绳的时候，我以为就1个动作10几秒就差不多了，没想到是3个动作，每个动作10几秒。然后做最后一个动作的时候，我真的已经崩溃了。然后那教练在旁边加油加油加油！其实我也很想加油，但是我的手不允许，我就只能这样。
Easy. Big boy.
我希望我可以变瘦，然后我身边的很多人都希望我可以变瘦，然后我也希望自己变瘦，好吧？然后我会变瘦的。如果下一次见我的时候，我会瘦的。好。
Ready?
Hey, let's go, guys. Let's go. 4 people per lane. 4 people per lane.
Come on, bro. Get inside. Yo, guys. Hey, stop, stop, stop. Stop. Yo! Stop. Where are you going? Yo!
Go away. High knees. All the way down. All the way back. Go! Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Come on, K-pop. Hey, K-pop. Hey, let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. You got defensive slide. Defensive slide. Overhead, 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 overhead. All the way down. All the way back. Go, 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 go.
Good job, good job, good job. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Good, good, good. Go, 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 go.
Let's go, Zafan. Let's go, let's go.
Come on, clutch. Come on, clutch.
Go, clutch. Okay, good boys. Go. Have fun. Fast, fast, fast.
Come on, push, big fella, push.